And what's even crazier is 90% of the people on this planet have one of these, and almost all of you are using it wrong. So what is this? It's your phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can make money online using only your phone. No laptop required. So if you're ready to learn how, hit that like button and let's get started with method number 1. Now, those of you who are longtime subscribers to my channel know I love affiliate marketing because there is so much potential to make a huge amount of money online. And you never have to create, sell, or ship any products of your own. But hold on a second. If you already know about affiliate marketing, don't skip ahead just yet because I'm about to show you a completely new way to do it using just your phone. I've made multiple 6 figures with affiliate marketing myself, so I know what I'm talking about here. And I did it starting out as a complete beginner just like you. But there's a big problem. If you want to make 4, 5, or even 6 figures with affiliate marketing, you need a laptop to build a website or a funnel, right? Wrong. That used to be true, but not anymore because there's a brand new AI that can literally build a fully monetized affiliate website in minutes with just a single prompt. Let me show you how to do it. Now, please make sure you're paying attention because I'm going to go through this really quickly to keep this video as short as possible for you. But if you want more detailed instructions, I also have a full tutorial over on my channel. That tutorial is linked down in the description. And for those of you who are looking for a different way to make money online other than affiliate marketing, keep watching because I have 2 other phone-friendly income streams coming up next. So the AI app you're going to use to create your monetized affiliate website from your phone is called Hostinger. There's a link down in the description to the Hostinger website where you can create your account. It actually costs less than I pay for 1 coffee, as you can see right here. Plus, I have a discount code that will give you an extra 10% off when you enter my code in this box right here when you're checking out. Once you've created your account, you want to tap on Websites, then the Add Website button. Then tap right here to access the AI Website Builder. Next, choose Blog as your website type, enter your brand name, and then give the AI a description or prompt that explains the type of affiliate website you want it to build for you. I'm going to use the dog training niche as an example. On my screen right here, you can see the prompt that I use if you want to copy it, but make sure you switch out the niche for whichever niche you personally want to use. Next, tap the Create a Website button, and the AI will get to work instantly. Then you'll see in less than a minute, the Hostinger AI will create an entire website for you. It's actually pretty amazing what this AI is able to do with just a simple prompt. It includes images that match your niche, and sections and pages that you can use to monetize your website. It even created an entire blog for you. You can also edit your website right here on your phone if you want to change anything by tapping right here. The mobile editor is 100% mobile friendly and is surprisingly easy to use on your phone because everything is drag and drop. But wait a sec, the whole point of this is to make money online with this website. So how are you going to monetize it? Well, Hostinger also has an AI blog generator that you can use to write fully monetized blogs for you with just 1 prompt. I'm using the dog training niche as an example, and I'm going to use this affiliate product to monetize my blog post. Now, watch as I get the Hostinger's AI to write a fully monetized affiliate blog for me in just seconds. And did I mention that it can automatically hyperlink all of your affiliate products right into the article for you? Let me show you. To access the Hostinger AI blog generator, tap on your blog, then tap this button right here at the bottom of your screen. Then tap here to access the blog generator. Again, I know I'm going through this quickly, but like I said earlier, I already created a full tutorial on this over on my channel as well. And I also wanted to make sure I have time to show you the other 2 mobile-friendly income ideas that are coming up next. To get the AI blog generator to write a blog for you, choose the tone, number of words, and then give it another prompt. Again, you can see the prompt that I used here on my screen if you want to copy it. And here you can see I'm asking the AI to hyperlink my affiliate tracking URL right into my article for me. Don't forget to update the prompt with your niche and your affiliate link. Next, submit the prompt by tapping right here. Then you'll see the Hostinger AI will write an entire monetized blog post for you with all of your affiliate links automatically added. And if I preview the blog post, you'll see that my affiliate tracking links are automatically added right into the article for me, so I don't have to do anything else to monetize my website. So for those of you who have been looking for a way to do affiliate marketing with your phone, this is the simplest way to do it. You can literally have a fully customized and monetized affiliate website up and running in minutes with the Hostinger AI tools. If you want to try this one out for yourself, don't forget to get my Hostinger discount code down below and check out the full tutorial that's linked down in the description. Now, if affiliate marketing is not for you, don't worry. This next mobile-friendly online income strategy is completely different, but just as profitable. The method I'm talking about this time is selling customized merch on TikTok. TikTok shops are taking off like crazy.
I've actually seen people with 2,000, 3,000 followers make anywhere between like $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month on TikTok.
Making people thousands of dollars in their first weeks or months when linked with the right merch products. The problem is, if you want to make money on TikTok Shop, you need physical products to sell. And creating your own products is usually really expensive and really time-consuming. And you definitely need a laptop to do all of this, right? Wrong again, because I know of a mobile-friendly app that will do all of this work for you in just minutes, and you don't have to pay a single dollar upfront. I'm going to show you the exact app in just a second. But first, what do I mean by merch? Well, physical products like hoodies, tees, wall art, or literally anything that's customized with your own graphics or text. And people love buying products through social media posts from their favorite creators. If you're someone who loves shopping online and making money, make sure you keep watching because the next method is one where you can combine both of these together. But before I get to that one, what I'm seeing make the most amount of money on TikTok right now is what I like to call passion-related merch. What I mean is products that have graphics on them related to topics that large audiences are extremely passionate about. Let me show you some examples and proof of how profitable this can be. Here you can see this simple sweatshirt with the word mama on the front that has made its seller over $9,000 in the last 30 days. This religious t-shirt has made its seller over $10,000 in the last 7 days. This Gen X related sweatshirt has made its seller over $20,000 in the last 7 days. And this Zodiac related sweatshirt has made its seller over $40,000 in the last week. And believe it or not, you can make all of these designs using just your phone and sell them right here on TikTok, just like these sellers are doing. And like I said earlier, you can do all of this without spending any money up front and completely using your phone. Let me show you how. First, you're going to come over to the app called Printify and create your account by tapping right here. Printify is a print-on-demand supplier that lets you create custom merch without spending anything up front. That means they will print all of your products and ship them to your customers for you, so you don't have to do any of that yourself. It's completely automated. There's a link down in the description to the Printify app for you. It's free to sign up, but if you want a premium account, I also have a discount code down there for you. With Printify, you can customize everything from t-shirts to hoodies, or even phone cases, mugs, or other accessories, using any text or graphics you like. And it only takes a few minutes to do it. Here's how. And again, I'm going to go through this quickly, so make sure you watch closely. You can also check out my full tutorial over on my channel if you want more help. The link to that video is down in the description. Once you've created your Printify account, you need to pick your first product to customize by tapping the catalog right here, where, side note, Printify has over 950 different products that you can choose from. And then choose the product that you want to sell by tapping on it right here. I'm picking a sweatshirt for this example. Then tap Start Designing. That will take you to the editor, where you can customize your product by uploading a graphic that you've already created yourself, or you can create one right inside the Printify mobile editor. Here you can see I'm designing a simple mama sweatshirt, just like the example I showed you earlier. You can choose a font, move the text anywhere on the template by dragging it and resizing it. You can change the color of the sweatshirt by tapping right here. You can even change the color of the text. Once you're happy with the design, you can preview it by tapping right here to see all of the mockups that Printify will create for you. And then tap Save. Next, update the product description to match your product. But don't worry if you're not sure what to write here, because Printify has an AI product description generator that can write it all for you. Just type a simple description of what your product is, like this. And then the AI will write a perfect product description for you in just seconds. You can also see how much profit you'll make by selling each sweatshirt right here. I suggest you increase the price a bit just to make sure you're making the most amount of money. But try to keep it around the same price as your competitors. Then connect it to your TikTok shop. If you don't have a TikTok shop yet, you can create one by tapping right here. But one thing to keep in mind is it's only available in certain countries. Once you've created your TikTok shop account, it's time to start creating posts about your new products on your TikTok account. If you want to try this one out, don't forget there's a link to the Printify app down in the description along with my discount code. But if TikTok Shop is not available in your country, don't worry, because I have one more phone-friendly way to make money online that anyone can do coming up next. And this one, in my opinion, is flying way under the radar as a way to make money online, but its potential is huge. What I'm talking about this time is to make money online with your phone using UGC reviews. Now, you might be thinking, what the heck does UGC stand for? It means user-generated content. And in this case, I'm talking about review videos that you create using your phone about another company's product. Most people don't realize that you can make thousands of dollars online every month just by creating review videos from your phone. Brands are looking for regular people every single day to create this kind of content for them, and they're willing to pay you a lot of money to do this. One of the biggest brands doing this is Amazon. And believe it or not, you don't have to be a huge influencer with thousands of followers to do this. Take Morgan, for example. She's a super successful UGC creator who started making video reviews through the Amazon Influencer Program. She focused on creating engaging and authentic product review videos and was able to create a steady stream of income online. She's now making money online from home, reviewing products she loves, and getting paid thousands of dollars to do it. So how do you get started as an Amazon UGC creator? Here's the basic steps on how it works. First, apply to the Amazon Influencer Program. There's a link to the program down in the description if you want to give this one a try. And I promise you don't need thousands of followers to be approved. Once you're approved to be an Amazon influencer, you need to start recording and posting review videos about products you love. You don't even have to buy new products from Amazon to do this. You can start with what you already have that's also available to buy on Amazon. When you record your videos, you should make them anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes long for the best results. Once you're done recording your videos, submit them to Amazon for approval, and then Amazon will add them to the Amazon Marketplace. Then, anytime someone watches your review video on Amazon for 30 seconds or more and buys the product, you get paid a commission. Now, as I mentioned, this is a very basic rundown of how this program works. If you want to increase your chances of being a successful Amazon influencer, I suggest you check out Morgan's account for some great tips. But I know what you're thinking. Recording review videos seems really time-consuming. And yeah, it might be if you're doing it all yourself. But I know a way to get AI to do most of the work for you so that this process can take you just minutes to complete. First, you're going to go to ChatGPT and enter a prompt like this one you see right here. Feel free to pause the video and copy the prompt for yourself. Just make sure to switch out the product for the one you're making the review for. Then, when you submit the prompt, you'll see that ChatGPT will write a perfect script for your product review videos. Now, once you have your script, you can go ahead and record the product review video on your phone while reading the script yourself. Or if you feel self-conscious about putting your voice online, you can get an AI voiceover tool like �11labs to read the script for you. Then all you need to do is record the video and go along with the script. Post it on your Amazon influencer account and start getting paid. Now, again, this is a simplified overview of how you can make money online with your phone through the Amazon Influencer Program. There's of course lots of other ways to do this, and I know I went through all of these pretty fast, but I wanted to share them all with you as quickly as possible just to open your eyes to the possibilities of what's out there if you really want to make money online with just your phone. The ideas are literally endless if you know where to look, and you're open to trying new things. That's why, if you haven't already, you should subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications, because I'm constantly posting new ideas like these ones that you can try.